The setting sun, Carnelian, symbolizes courage, motivation, and leadership. Carnelian, meaning origin and colors. The name is derived from a Latin word which means flesh. Its oldest known deposits are in Bengal, India. The shades of ranges from orange to reddish-brown. Chakra healing, root or base chakra, sacral chakra. Birthstone, July. Zodiac sign, Leo. The healing properties of carnelian. Physically, stimulates metabolism, cures menstrual issues, helpful in artificial insemination, helps in absorption of supplements. Emotionally, restores motivation and vitality, protects against resentment, overcomes possessiveness in relations, useful for sexual anxieties. Spiritually, bring delight and pleasure, stone of happiness, enhancing affection and companionship, brings passion and enthusiasm. Carnelian jewelry at Gemexi.